Have you ever wondered why police cars almost always use red and blue lights? Why not green, yellow, or purple? The answer is a fascinating mix of science, biology, and psychology. Let's start with blue. Blue light is highly noticeable at night and stands out from most lights people normally see on roads. Street lights, brake lights, and traffic signals rarely use flashing blue, so our brains immediately recognize it as something unusual. Now let's look at red. For centuries, red has been associated with danger, warnings, and emergencies. Human eyes are naturally drawn to red because it signals that something important may require immediate attention. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Police vehicles do not use just one color.
They use red and blue together. When these colors flash rapidly, they create a strong visual contrast that is difficult for the brain to ignore. Even if a driver is distracted, the alternating colors can quickly capture attention. And there is another reason. Red and blue light travel differently through the atmosphere. Red light is easier to see from long distances, especially in fog, rain, dust, and bad weather. Blue light appears brighter and more intense at night. Together, they help maximize visibility in many different conditions. But the science does not stop there. Researchers have found that flashing lights trigger a psychological response called the orienting reflex. This is an automatic reaction that causes people to immediately look towards sudden movement, bright flashes, or unusual colors. In other words, your brain is wired to notice police lights even before you consciously think about them. Interesting. Different countries sometimes use different emergency light colors. Some ambulances use amber lights. Some emergency vehicles use white strobes. But red and blue remain among the most effective combinations for quickly getting attention in traffic. And here is one final fact. The purpose of police lights is not just to help officers. Their main job is to warn drivers, prevent accidents, and create a safer path during emergencies. So those flashing red and blue lights are not there for style. They're the result of science, visibility research, and human psychology working together to keep roads safer. For more surprising science facts, follow The Science Reactor